Running a business is not easy, we said that, but it's truly worth the effort. And let me share with you a few more key reasons why I believe in the power of entrepreneurship. Impact and contribution. Through my business, I created a lot of job opportunities, supported local suppliers, and provided valuable products and services that enhance the lives of many customers. Making a positive impact in the community is truly fulfilling. What about creativity and innovation? As a business owner, I had the freedom to unleash my creativity and pursue innovative ideas. I brought fresh products and services to the market, challenged the norm, and set myself apart from all competitors. And what about sense of achievement? Overcoming challenges and achieving success in my business brought an incredible sense of accomplishment. Each milestone reached and goal achieved become a source of pride and really amazing motivation to keep growing and expanding. So, everyone, brace yourself for the challenges because the rewards that come with owning a business are immeasurable. It is a journey that tests your courage, but the fulfillment and the satisfaction it brings